Upcoming Pixel 8 series is scheduled for launch on the October 4th as a part of the annual Made by Google event. Most of the specification features of the smartphone has also already been disclosed through leaks by Google themselves. While the Pixel currently appears to have a lack of any major upgrade bearing some noteworthy software features, a recent report has made people interested. A recent tweet shows that the new Tensor G2 chip inside the Pixel 8 series will incorporate fan-out wafer-level packaging, which is expected to reduce heat generation and improve power efficiency. Companies like Qualcomm and MediaTek has already been using this technology to improve efficiency and graphic performance and help keep their chips cooler. This is the first time Samsung Foundries, who makes the Tensor G3 chips for Google, will be implementing this tech. Although the G3 may not have any performance record, but its potential to run at lower temperature compared to the G2 and G1 could be a significant selling point for the Pixel 8 series. This is relevant since Pixel 7 has faced challenges in maintaining acceptable temperature levels during the demand and routine tasks. There's a rumor suggesting that Google intends to break free from the reliance of Samsung. There is also a new rumor coming out that the company is contemplating the complete in-house and manufacturing of its chip, potentially using TSMC's 4 nanometer process.